Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, basically you are using Shopify in 2026 and you are going through some problems, including your customers are trying to contact you through your Shopify contact form, but messages aren't coming through. Well, that's kind of a big problem, so in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually fix this type of issues fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first, make sure you open your device, make sure everything is looking good, you are fully connected to the internet. Go and open your favorite browser and go through the Shopify, or just tap shopify.com all the way. Shopify.com, then hit enter. Well, now we're gonna go, basically log in, use your email address and password. Then we're gonna go and actually check the other side. Well, we're gonna just subscribe. Nah, never mind about this. Was applicable taxes. Now we're just gonna go through this. Gonna hit on Shopify again. Okay, for example, we're gonna go to all stores. Okay, let's go inactive. Well, they're gonna tell you, of course, to pay. Otherwise, it won't be active. That's the normal thing. As for you, you're gonna go all the way to online store, then look for pages, make sure the pages uses the contact template, then verify the notification email address, since Shopify sends from messages to your store contact email. Check any spam or junk folder. Contact form emails are often filtered, then test the form manually. Submit like a text message and wait a few minutes. Check the temp customizations. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.